Samsung is trying to do this with Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra lineup. Hey, what's going on guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all doing good. Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra is going to launch on 9th of February according to the official Samsung teaser and will go on stores on 25th of Feb 2022. And we may see some interesting color changes and color combinations with the Galaxy S22 Ultra lineup and some night photography improvements. Before moving on, if you like the content, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below your favorite color combination for Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. Samsung called this bespoke. Samsung introduced this option first with the Galaxy Z Flip 3 and now rumors are around the Galaxy S22 lineup. We may see one variant or all three variants to be in bespoke, which includes 5 colors for back panel and 2 colors for frame, having a total 49 color combination, which we have already seen in Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3. But the thing which is not common, that Samsung Galaxy S22 lineup is not foldable, so we may get 10 colors or more options. Samsung is offering 108 megapixel main lens in Galaxy S22 Ultra, but this is not just pixel madness. But according to the TM Ru, president and head of MX Business said, "Own the night taken the best and brightest photos and videos you have ever captured with the phone." Let's see, I think something interesting coming with the new 108 megapixel lens on Galaxy S22 Ultra, and we might see some improvement features on the telephoto lens with different color tones and more details. The renders are out for the Galaxy S22 Ultra, and it is already clear that the design of the Galaxy S22 Ultra, which is comparatively different than the S22 and the S22 Plus, looks more like a Note 20 Ultra. Prices are out for the Galaxy S22 Ultra, where we see some price jump for all three models: $899 for S22, $1,099 for the S22 Plus, and $1,299 for S22 Ultra base model. We may not see Galaxy S22 Ultra with 1TB of storage, and this time, Samsung is not offering SD card slot in the Galaxy S22 Ultra lineup. With that being said, if you came this far, drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below your favorite color combination in the Galaxy S22 Ultra. I'll see you next time. Till next time, peace out.